Chapter 4. Solids, Liquids and Gases. Matter. States of matter. Changes of states. Solute, solvent and solution. Matter. Observe your surroundings. You'll see things like windows, smartphones, doors, books, bicycle, crayons, tables, chairs, robots, etc. All these things are of different shapes, sizes and colors. They differ in appearance and texture. Some are soft and some are hard. They may be wet or dry, rough or smooth. All these things are different from each other. Windows and doors can be made of metal, glass or wood. Paper is used to create books and boxes. Metal is used to make both robots and smartphones. Even so, there is something common in all these different things. All things take up space and have weight. Any substance that has weight and occupies space is called matter. Solids, liquids and gases are the three states of matter. States of matter. All matter or substances is made up of very tiny particles called molecules. Molecules are too small to be seen with the naked eye. Molecules are made up of still smaller particles called atoms. These particles are arranged in different ways in solids, liquids and gases. Solids. Solids have a definite shape and volume as the molecules in solids are very closely packed. Hence, they occupy a definite space. They are hard to touch. Brick, chair, tumbler are examples of solids. The molecules have very strong forces of attraction between them. Rock, chair, dumbbells. Liquids. The molecules in a liquid are loosely packed. So, there is more space between the molecules. Hence, they take up the shape of the container in which they are filled. Unlike solids, they have no fixed shape and can flow. They have a fixed volume. Water, juice, oil and milk are some liquids. Glass of water. Sanitizer. Milk bottle. Gases. Gases are substances in which the particles are very loosely packed. They too have no fixed shape. Unlike liquids, they occupy all the available space in a container. Gas molecules can move freely and fast. Air is an example of a gas. It is actually a mixture of several gases. Balloon. Ball. Inflated tire. Change of states. Matter can change its form from one state to another. These three states of matter are interchangeable. Changing states of matter in water. Heating. Solid. Liquid. Gas. Cooling. Solid. Liquid. Gas. One form of matter can be changed into another by heating or cooling. When we heat a liquid, we see vapors coming out. This is called evaporation. When these vapors cool, it changes back into liquid state. This is called condensation. If we fill water in an ice tray and keep it in a freezer, after some time, the water turns into ice. This is called solidification and freezing. When this ice starts to melt back into water, it is called melting. Solute, solvent and solution. Some solids can dissolve in liquids. When a solid dissolves in a liquid, it separates into minute particles that spread gradually throughout the liquid. A solution is formed when two or more substances mix together such that they are evenly distributed. The substance that dissolves is called the solute. The substance in which the solute dissolves is called the solvent. A solute and solvent together form a solution. What happens when sugar is dissolved in water? Water becomes sweet in taste. When a substance such as sugar or salt is dissolved in a liquid like water, it produces a solution. The sugar or salt is the solute. The water that dissolves the solute is the solvent. Sugar-salt solute plus water solvent is equal to sweet water salty water solution. Activity. Aim: to compare the volume of the solvent and the solution. Procedure: fill a beaker with water. Make a note of the beaker's water level. Now, add a teaspoon of sugar and stir it in the water. The sugar slowly dissolves in water. Check the water level in the beaker. Observation: you will notice that the water level remains same even after the sugar has completely dissolved in it. Conclusion: this shows that the volume of the solution remains almost the same as the volume of the solvent. This is because the molecules of solute, sugar, occupy the empty spaces in between the molecules of solvent, water. Synopsis: solids, liquids and gases are the three states of matter. All matter is made up of very tiny particles called molecules. Molecules are made up of still smaller particles called atoms. Solids have a definite shape and volume. Liquids have no fixed shape. They have a fixed volume. Gases have no fixed shape. Matter can change its form from one state to another. The three states of matter are interchangeable. A solution is formed when two or more substances mix together such that they are evenly distributed.